Aussie. Well, today's not the greatest weather to go out crabbing and scooping, so I thought I'd come to the Marina here in Mandurah. It's only about 500 metres to the river mouth, so it's nice and calm, and you know, it's pretty deep here because of all the boats, so hopefully we'll be able to get a crab or two, and we'll see how we go. Cheers everyone. G'day everyone. Well, wasn't too bad today. You know, a couple of crabs is better than nothing. It keeps me out of the pub anyway, doing the old fishing. But, you know, at least the one good thing, it's coming to the end of the season, and there were lots and lots of undersized crabs, which means next year should be bumper season. But we'll go back to the kitchen now. We've only got a couple of crabs. We'll make something to extend the crabs to go further for everyone, and we'll make some arancinis. So back to the kitchen. We'll see you there. Cheers everyone. G'day everyone, welcome to Mandurah Aussie. It's getting towards the end of the crabbing season, getting a bit wet and wild and getting a bit too chilly to go out there walking and sweeping for crabs, so I went down on the Marina. Managed to get 2 decent sized crabs, not enough to feed the family, but I thought I'd make some arancinis and that way the family will get fed. I managed to get 18, a couple of bite size they are, and that'd feed the family. They said 2 crabs was enough, half a cup of rice, a boiled rice, dash of white wine, half a brown onion, some garlic cloves, and just slowly cook it off. And I had made a bit of a stock so you get the flavours through the rice. I had some prawn shells in the freezer plus the crab shells, and just simmer that for 20 minutes, more than that, and it can taste a bit bitter. But here we go, here they are, turned out pretty good. Got a lime mayonnaise there as well, so we just have a bit of a taste test. As you can probably hear through the microphone, nice and crunchy. You got the flavour of the crab, and also you can taste the shellfish from the stock getting absorbed by the rice. It's just a different way of doing crab. Instead of having boiled and sandwiches or curries or whatever. So just something a bit different. Give it a try, I'm sure you'll like it. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you for the next video. Cheers everyone from Mandurah Aussie.